All right, we are going over the light bar unpacking and mounting onto the control box. When you get the light bar, it's going to look somewhat like this, maybe a little different, but the main thing that we're looking for is we have a couple of Velcro straps holding everything together. You're looking for the fattest Velcro strap to undo. The other Velcro straps do not loosen. Take this upper arm, move it so it's vertical. Move any kind of packing materials out of the way. There may be some orange spacers. There may be some foam. It depends on what I used at the time. You're going to take this other arm and gently move it so it's at a right angle. And now you're going to go back to this original arm. Move that so it's vertical. Rotate it so the arm is now facing away from the holders. Let's do the same thing with this arm. So these little pieces that hang out are going to be facing away from the arms. At this point, it's ready to be mounted onto the bar. Take both with both hands. Your first impression is to do this. Get these so the holders are facing the massage table. These wing nuts here and here are going to be loose. And you're just going to move this so it's up a little bit. This is temporary. At this point, you can then remove these other Velcro straps. And the reason why we keep these Velcro straps on until it's mounted is because this is spring-loaded. And without any way to hold those springs in place, they're going to fly up. So now we can take these two wing nuts again, move the bar so these holders are horizontal to the earth. And now you can go ahead and tighten up these nuts. At this point, the bar is pretty much ready for you. You can start taking all the packing off. We do have the little connector, and it goes into the port that says lights. We have a separate video showing how all the connectors work. With the holders, they each articulate in their own fashion. You can get them so they are set up nice and straight, or you can get them so they're moved down like this if you have one pointed at the head, different scenarios like that. So these rubber holders have a little indentation in here that matches up to the rubber. And what you're looking for is when you put this on, you're going to work your fingers around the edge, pushing it in place. It's going to be more or less flush. And that's the correct way to do it. If you give it a light tug, it's going to stay in place. So taking your crystal, narrow side down, just going to bend one of these out of the way, slip it in place, and that's just a loose placeholder. It's so, if the crystal's pointed like that, it's not going to inadvertently come out.